Today's video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at the daily and hourly alarm settings on your A100WEF wristwatch. So on that watch in front of you, we've got it set so there's both a daily alarm and an hourly alarm, so that on the hour, every hour, you get that chime. So in this video I'm just going to show you really quickly how to turn that hourly alarm off. So the first button you need to press is the bottom left hand button, so that's button C here. Press it once and it goes onto the alarm page or the alarm screen. You see I've got the alarm set to be 9:45, so that's my daily alarm, and in the top right hand corner you've got two little symbols, a sequence of lines which are the 4 lines, which is the chime symbol, and then there's a alarm bell. So the chimes is the daily alarm and the bell icon is the hourly alarm. So all you do is you press bottom right button D and it toggles between having them both off, the daily alarm only, the hourly alarm only, or both on. So I'm going to leave mine so that I've got just the daily alarm on. So at 9:45 every day that 20-second alarm is going to go off, and then you just press the C button to go back to the normal screen. So that's now the hourly alarm disabled, but the daily alarm still activated. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the A100 and other Casio watches, which you're welcome to check out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.